On everyone, it's Time Gazer 9753, and we're gonna be opening this thing, Bakugan Geogan Brawler pack. So it's the new 4-pack, but it's five pack or whatever the fuck. Geogan. The fact that we're already getting Geogan stuff and we still haven't gotten stuff from Battle Planet. That's good work, Spin Master. Yeah. Ooga Brain is gonna Ooga Brain Caveman opening. Yeah, I don't even know if that was tech though. I'm just literally slicing randomly at this point. Come on. Fuck. One-handed. Fuck, how does fucking King Nub do this shit with one hand? Like, what the fuck? Man, how? I'm like holding the phone with one hand and it's fucking... because I'm spastic. Monkey brain. Oh, come on. Come on, you bastard. Oh, come on, cunt. Okay, I'm gonna have to let go of that for a second. Okay, there. Okay, I probably shouldn't have done that. That almost cut me. Fucking just Uber brain it out. Just, I know people hate this, but fuck it. Uber that shit out of here. Just monkey brain. That shit out of here. Okay. We got this. I don't need that. We probably do, but we don't. I can't be fucked editing, so fucking that's the thing. No editing for me, boy. Fuck me. Fucking. I've just given up on censoring myself. You know, like fucking fuckity fuck. Oh, that fell out. What the fuck? There we go. We'll just eat that away. Yote. Okay, I guess we're going to this. It's the only opportunity I have to record while there's no one home. So, we're going to the cards first, because reasons. Okay, so we get some... Are we supposed to get 3? I think we got 3, because there's 3 Bakugan. Yeah. So we got that, which is pretty neat. Aquos and darkus is pretty good. Another one, this one's really good for darkus and aquos. And this one's good for darkus, at least. It's kind of neat. Anyway, I don't care enough. I don't play that variant. Melee, that's Jack Kuso's version. Don't play that. That's kind of cool. Nothing amazing. Triple Blazing Barrage. Okay, so we got Arcleon. It's a 2-cost. Green Fist 500. Shield. +3 plus Shadow Strike. I play Shield deck. Aquos darkus. I wish it was the other way around. But it's just it's cool. If it lands on a 400, it's 1400. It's not bad. It's not bad. I'll play that. 900 for 4. Maybe. I don't know. Probably get better. Syrian's if it weren't a 7-cost, maybe I might play it still, because for the trolls, for the lols, you know. I don't play ventus, so fuck that off. I don't play ventus, so fuck it off. Yep. Finico's kind of cool. I like his design. Pretty neat. Aquos Chaos. People were liking that there's Aquos Chaos, I think. I think that was the thing. Everyone was like, ooh, cool, I guess. I don't care. I don't play Chaos. We play Aquos, though. Shark Tail's cool. It's a double shield. If it were Aquos and it had a cool effect, that'd be cool. Again, I don't care for this, even though it's actually not bad. But it's got the ventus, so it's not for me. Pinsata. So just stick that shit over there. Let's get the... Where the cores at? Oh, wait, were the cores in here? Oh, they fucking were. Okay, we don't need that. Okay, Pyrus and Ventus, don't care. It's good, but I don't care for it. No, I don't care for this one either. Minus 200, not a big fan. Plus 300 is it's good. It's not the one I run the darkus aquos ones. So, but I keep it, it's cool. It's a major trap if you're into that kind of shit. And plus 3, it's plus 3, and get 100. Get the fuck out of here. Okay, so we're going into the back, we're going to end the geogan. Pop that shit. I'm totally family man. You know? Christian town. All that shit. Thank you. Okay, we're going to the geogan first, because they're more important, I guess. I mean, they're not more important, but they're better than the garbage that I saw in this. They're not very good. Oh, come on. Yeah, man, you bastard. Oh my god, you kill Kenny. You bastard. Yeah, that's how I depicted that. Okay, cool. Okay, so we're gonna go for surturan. This magnet. It's very cylinder-like, pretty neat. So it's one card length, so about here. Oh my god, I suck. How did I miss that? Okay, that was better. Oh, it was pretty bad. Okay, so then we got achilleon. The darkus achilleon, which is probably my favorite geogan, the achilleon kind of ones, the cube. Kind of like it. It's Dan's, like the Pyrus one. It's Dan's. Is it able? Okay, so it can. So it's probably, yeah. So there's. Come on, you fuck. Okay, so he has like little feet nub thingies. Okay, yeah. So surturan, aquos. Little fucking cylinder low cunt. It's pretty cool. Oh, yeah, right. I forgot his legs pop out like that. I forgot that happens. So yeah, we got surturan the cube. I mean, surturan fucking arcleon. Fuck, I'm retarded. Yeah, he's pretty neat. Oh shit, I don't know if I was supposed to do that. I think that's how you close it. Oh, I don't fucking know. Anyway, it's cubed. It's kind of like, you know, the traps of fucking the original. Let's flip these little shits in. Little tentacle. Oh shit. Oh, there we go. Okay, they have the little nub thingy holes for battle gear. It's cool, I guess. Whatever. Okay, we're getting to the Bakugan now. So the darkest was Pinsata, I think, yeah. where's the error? Oh, there it is. Oh, shit. No, wait. Oh, no. Okay, we got that. Pincita. It's a scorpion. Cool. It does its thing, I guess. This is finico, I think. This one is finico. Fuck, shit. There we go. Finico, it's cool. Whatever. I just don't care enough for these. And Jokta is probably one of my favorite designs out of this pack. I wish I got the aquos one though. But again, the aquos one's not good either, I don't think. Anyway, yeah, that's that. He looks weird, but you know, he's cool. He's a shark and shit, so like, whatever. And that's the review slash unboxing of this garbage. We call it geogan brawler pack. The surturan one with this guy. Forget his name already. Arcleon. Yeah, so like, subscribe, do all that kind of bullshit. You know, algorithm and all that kind of crap. And I'll catch you all in the next video, which is gonna be I bought another pack of fucking geogan brawler pack. It's the chaos sluggler and darkus surturan one. So we'll catch you then. Peace, motherfuckers.